How to combine photos together on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device. And once open, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen in order to create a new shortcut. Now, here tap on the search bar and then go ahead and search for action that is called select photos. Now, once you have enabled the select photos automation, go ahead and tap on the arrow icon you see there and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for select multiple. Now, go ahead and add the combine image action. So tap on the search bar you see there again, and in the search bar, search for combine images and tap on it. Now, once you have enabled Combine Images option 2, simply tap on the horizontally option you see there and you can then go ahead and make changes if you want. So you can add vertically option or you can add in a grid option depending on your preference. Now, once you have made changes to horizontally or vertically, tap on the search bar you see there again and then go ahead and search for Save to Photos and tap on it. Now, once your automation is created, tap on the eye icon on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the Add to Home Screen option you see there. You will then be required to rename your automation if you want, and you can also go ahead and change the icon. Finally, tap on the Add option on the top right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, the automation or the shortcut has been created. So go ahead and open the shortcut that you just created and then go ahead and choose the pictures for your shortcut and then tap on the Add option on the top right of your screen, and with this, your automation will run. Once it is completed, go ahead and open the Photos application on your device, and with this, as you can see, the picture combination has been made just according to your preference that you selected earlier. So this was about how you can combine photos on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.